Welcome to Random Reviews and Views. Random reviews of things that I like and things that I'm getting. And so today we got the DJI Mic 3, just the transmitter. I'll do a little unboxing video, show you what's inside and the reason why I got it versus the whole set. And then we'll do a little connection and see how it works, how it holds up. Let's open up the box. See what we have inside. And the instruction manual. Put that off on the side. Okay. First off, it's a nice little case. Quality kind of feels like it's stretchable, but it's not. Doesn't feel like it'll snag. So let's open it up. See what else we have inside. Okay, has like little pockets inside of it right up in here. So you can sit there and tuck everything so it's not all just laid out and falls out right once you open up the bag. That's a nice little touch. So here we go, we have the transmitter. Looks like the magnets. That's it. So it comes with 2 windscreen protectors. It's the basic windscreen protector. I guess everyone pretty much uses this one. I'm just gonna go with this one. Then if it's a little too windy outside, I guess for stronger winds. So you're gonna want to use this one for regular conditions. This one when it gets a little more windy outside. And we got the nice little charging cable, which hopefully I don't lose this since I didn't get the full set. You know, just pop it in the little box, but cord seems good, nice thick. Put that off to the side. Now, this one we're after right here. The main prize. Now this right here is only 16 grams with the magnet. It's not that big. It is appealing and does look nice, does feel like it's made out of real good quality. It's not that cheap plastic. And I love the fact that it kind of looks like almost like transparent. Let's check out the magnet. It's a strong magnet. I've heard some people complain that they didn't like the fact that it's a magnet because if you're running, it'll fall off, or it could fall off, and you're scared of that. But right here, that's a strong magnet. I don't think it's going anywhere. So whoever said it's, I don't know how you run, but that seems like it's gonna hold up. I don't think your body's jiggling more than this. If it is, you got problems. That seems like it's gonna do just fine. Alright, so this is a little clip. Or magnetizes. Magnets are pretty strong. That'll work just fine. So, and it also has like these little grooves on the back so that it lines up either in a 90-degree angle going straight up at you, or if you put it on the, you have a button up, you can put it in your little, between the button up, click it in sideways. It's not much bigger than the Hollyland Mark II. So, alright, let's check it out. So the reason why I got it, why I got just the transmitter versus the entire set, was for a few reasons. One of them was just because I wanted to carry less items with me while moving around. So this is my everyday carry bag, and just carry a few things with me in here. Yeah, so the reason why I picked that is because, again, this is my everyday carry bag, so I'm trying to carry as minimal items with me as possible while still getting some decent quality with some things. Then normally I walk around, I'll have this with me, but again, this takes up a lot of space. Then you got to carry the bag with all the wires in it. So I just wanted a more streamlined approach, I guess you could say. And then I don't have to have anything connected to this. Normally I'd have, the receiver right in here, and that would affect the movement of the Osmo Pocket 3. So having it here, it's not really working. Apparently this is like a recorder, so it will contain, you can record the audio directly to here and transfer it over. I had a problem with this one because I got some dead audio. There's a video I was trying to make, and I didn't capture probably about 15 seconds of the beginning of the audio, so it was kind of messed me up because it was a nice little interview video and you didn't hear what she was saying, so kind of upset me. So when I seen this one come out, I wanted to get it. Kind of wanted to get the full set, but I don't really do too many videos where I have other people with me, and if I do, I got this one. So this right here again is just for me to go on my other channel and do my little reviews of what I'm doing. So it looks streamlined, looks good. Yeah. I mean, it's a little heavier than the Hollyland, but I mean, you don't really notice it, to be honest. So it's there. I don't know, what do you think looks better? Doesn't look too bad. I like it. I think it looks good. I might change the color of the letters, just because I want to do something different, make it my own little thing. And if you have the Hollyland, let's see, you can use some of these accessories instead of buying them. Again, this is everything that I carry with me, and I'm trying to limit what I carry in my bag. Again, you got all this that goes on here. Now I could downsize, take off some of the weight in my bag. Again, carrying this on the bag, everything gets tangled up. Again, so here we have these things. So now it hangs right here. I mean, what? Can't complain about much. You got the Hollyland clip, Hollyland magnet. Now, since there's no grooves in the Hollyland clip, it kind of just spins, so I don't know how good this will be. Yeah. So, for the Hollyland magnet, the way to use this would be to, let's see, just pop it on the rim again. And then I don't know, how do you think it looks? And just for a spare clip, in case you lose the one from DJI. There's no grooves on this one, so again, still looks pretty good. Again, magnet's pretty strong. Let's put all the stuff away. Now, picture this. All right, that looks kind of silly to me if you ask me, but I got the Mic 3. It's way less. I mean, I wouldn't say it's not noticeable, but it's not an eyesore like this is. I wish they would have made something smaller to go on the Hollyland, but you know, you got this here. Ooh. All right, well, don't hold it by the windscreen. It will come off. This is supposed to make it more streamlined, connect to the pocket easily apparently, so let's try to connect it and see if it just connects automatically. Now we just go to wireless mic, click power on DJI Osmo Pocket, Osmo Audio. Got some haptic feedback. Started blinking. Power on DJI Osmo Audio and pair. So on this one you gotta sit there and hold the linking button till it turns blue and green. Boom. So we're at 40% connected. DJI Osmo Audio connected. Confirm. Alright, now it's on. It says 40%. It says we got 57.3 hours. And it's connected. You see the little gain bar up on top. Now you got the little wind muff. Clips on pretty easy too. That's it. And that's not going anywhere. Let's see. Put it on the hat. Still getting some decent audio. You know, put in a couple little spots where you don't want it visible. Again, people said they're gonna be running around. They think the magnet will fall off. Nothing, it's good. So I don't know why them people were complaining about. They didn't like the fact that it was a magnet. So it looks good. It's not, you know, too out there, too big. It's kind of inconspicuous. You're not really going to notice it too much. Now, it just turned off and I turned it back on and automatically connected again. So you don't have to keep going in there repairing it. Let's see, shut it off again. Alright, let's see how, this is already on. So let's see if it connects automatically. Yep, already connected. So that's actually a plus. I could just leave this here. I'm ready to start recording. Boom, sit there, pull it out, start recording. Ooh. And you don't get to business. It's a pretty strong magnet. Yeah, so that was one reason why I got the Mic 3 and not the Mini, because again, you got the onboard audio. I mean, it looked a little better too. Same size, more bang for your buck. The whole entire set for the Mic Mini was about $100. This was on sale for I think like $78 at Best Buy at the time. After taxes, they're paying like $90. The complete set is almost $250 to $300 depending on if you can find the sale or not. So again, I just wanted to try it out. I didn't want to make a big commitment, pay a lot of money, and it wasn't worth it. So later on I might upgrade, but for right now this will do the job just fine. Again, easy little quick little content creator on the go. Now what I wanted to try to do while I have this, because I did hear someone say that it could connect to the X5. Now if it does, it's going to be even way more worth it, because now I'm connecting. I got two cameras to connect to. I could do my 360 videos with this one, capture the entire room with one shot, and get my close-ups with the Pocket 3 and connect probably back to back with no problems. So let's check this out. Let's try it out. See if it'll work. So I'll go to Bluetooth headset and microphone. Oh, Check it out. DJI Mic 3 says connect DJI Mic 3 to enable dual audio. Hello, hello, hello. Would you look at that? Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello. Dude. So that's it. Tell me that doesn't work for you. One mic to connect them all. Connect it to my Pocket 3, connect it to the Insta360 X5. To me, that's good. You know, when I had this one, I had to sit there and do a lot of connecting. I had to sit there and open it up. I had to sit there and put the bracket on here. I had to put it to the side, and it just made it look repulsive. It was walking around something like this. It was unnecessary. Then I had it on the extended stick, and you would see the wire come into the 360 videos. And it just started getting heavy. Again, the whole point is to be streamlined. I want to be, you know, pretty much have it in my pocket, ready to go point, shoot, and just keep everything going. I don't have to stop, set it all up, put everything together. It's just too much. There's no point in doing all that. So now, with these three, good to go. You know, I got my little FOMO handle, so I don't miss out. Got the batteries right there. This gives you already 8 hours of audio. I mean, to me, it's a no-brainer to get this. Versus, again, this comes in clutch for when you want to do interviews, you want to have multiple people. You get this for a nice little price. Again, if you got the money, I would say right now, from my experience, just from opening it, I haven't used it yet. I'll, you know, post something up later on. Hey, much man, my little Dobie, just running around. But again, what do you think? Do you think it's worth getting? Do you think it's worth getting just the transmitter, or do you think it's worth getting the entire set just right off the bat? You know, I would say start off small. If you don't want to sit there and spend all that money, you don't want to get a whole bunch of equipment that you may or may not use. Again, $80 to $90, why not? Again, if you want to get something like this, get this too. But again, it works for certain people. I just was tired of not everything fit in here, so I was losing things. And the transmitter here, I had to sit there and put some Velcro so I wouldn't lose that. So connect it to my phone or connect it to the Pocket 3 just so I get some decent audio. But right here, can't go wrong. Got everything you need. So tell me what you think, and again, if you're gonna get the whole set or just the transmitter, let me know.